Residents of Clarendon may soon breathe a sigh of relief. This as the municipal corporation moves closer to opening a long-awaited animal pound. Sandy Williams reports.
Stray animals have long been a nightmare for residents across Clarendon, from roaming cattle to stray dogs terrorizing farmers. Whether in their yards or along busy roadways, frustrated citizens say they've been living in fear and financial distress. But relief may finally be in sight. Mayor of Maypen, Joel Williams, says a long-awaited animal pound is now taking shape, and by the end of March, it should be fully operational. On a 20-acre property, fencing is already going up and preparations are moving into high gear.
We have acquired the containers that we need. We started fencing in to fence the area. We are hoping by the end of March or by the back end of March, we should up and running. One of the things we are doing now is to retrofit a truck so that it will be able to carry the cows, not necessarily wood, but the cows, bigger animals.
But while cows may soon have a holding space, stray dogs remain a major concern, especially for farmers who say their livelihoods are under attack.
A big setback. You just confuse, upset me, do them know if you move on. I do them like your son or dog.
And I think we'll have to have some discussion with the veterinary department. And then following that, we can look and see how we can build out something to deal with stray dogs.
Meanwhile, just next door in St. Catherine, authorities say they are facing a similar problem. Police there say they urgently need not 1, but 2 pounds.
Yes, we need one for motor vehicles and we need one for animals. Because there are times when we recover animals that we believe are stolen and we have nowhere to put them. So we are asking if you can assist us in getting a pound. And you know, the motor vehicles, when they are being seized, we have to send them to Kingston as well. So those are 2 of the challenges that we have to store vehicles and also to store produce when they are seized.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.